Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out weeding and cleaning and feeding today, and we've come across these few clumps of drumstick primroses. And the flowers, of course, are really perfectly like a little drumstick. And this is the time of year to plant drumstick primroses. They're really tough, hardy primrose that lasts forever and a day. With small little plants like that in the nursery that can be planted from now. Perfect drumsticks to get to a good clump. And when they get established after a few years, when the flowers are finished, you can lift them and split them and you have more plants to spread through your garden. Now it's important to feed them. So we're feeding them every 4 to 6 weeks from now with some flower mats to make the most from these, build them up again to do the same again next year. A few snowdrops there finished flowering as well. I'm just going to throw a bit around those and around our daffodils to make sure that they flower well again next year. These flowers will soon be finishing up, but we're feeding those regularly now. Every couple of feeds will do those. But your perennial flowers, your roses, your hydrangeas, feed them every 4 to 6 weeks from now. Like hellebores there, that's Anna's red. A nice handful around that as well. Make sure it does the business again next year. It's a gorgeous hellebore, and other varieties of hellebores here as well. We feed them every 4 to 6 weeks from now to make sure we have lots and lots of flowers every year. And you know, if you feed your plants, you're going to get larger flowers and flowers with better intensity. And to make them work for you, feed them every 4 to 6 weeks from now with Flower Max to have plenty of colour in your garden this year. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.